So I've been running this thermostat for a while now, and it's hands down one of the better smart upgrades I've made to the house. The install process was surprisingly smooth, and what really stood out was how dialed in their online documentation is. It gives you clear, step-by-step instructions with no fluff, and it answered every question I had before I even asked it. I didn't need to call support, didn't need to watch a dozen YouTube videos just to figure something out. I just followed the guide and had it set up and working in under 30 minutes. The touchscreen is crisp, responsive, and easy to read even in low light. The app adds another layer of convenience, allowing you to adjust temps, set schedules, or check on your system whether you're across the town or across the room. It syncs fast and works every time I open it. I also love that it works with Alexa and other smart home platforms without any fuss. Integration was seamless, and beyond that, it holds temps well, gives useful alerts, and helps keep things energy efficient without me needing to micromanage it. I've tried other smart thermostats before, but this one just feels like it was built to be reliable and straightforward. If you're looking to modernize your setup without adding a bunch of headaches, this is a really solid pick. Clean look, dependable performance, and the kind of install process that actually makes sense. I'd highly recommend this to anyone looking for a new smart thermostat. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.